On the heels of last night's election, local economists are forecasting the economic future for the city of Spokane. And they say things are looking very positive. It continues a trend of economic growth in our area.
Economists say over the last 3 years, Spokane and Kootenai County have seen growth even greater than the rest of the country.
Our Drew Reeves has in-depth coverage tonight with a look at what the experts expect in the coming year. Drew?
Well, according to those economists, the Spokane area has experienced around double the growth of the country in recent years and will continue to see better growth than the rest of the country, but it might not be quite as good as we're used to now. According to economists, the last 3 years, business in the inland northwest is booming, and it's expected to continue with a bit of a change.
The outlook for 2019 is for us to still do better than the U.S., but probably a little bit slower growth than we've experienced, especially in the second half of 2019.
Economists presented their forecast for the next year, giving businesses an idea of what to expect.
I think a lot of optimism as we have really strong population growth, as we continue to see great in-migration and a lot of movement in the economy. And so I think from a general business standpoint, people are fairly optimistic.
GSI says this report shows that now is a good time for businesses or those looking to start a new business in the area.
We have a really robust and growing startup ecosystem that we're proud to be a part of, and a lot of partners that are thinking about how we help companies grow and prosper.
And economists say there are several factors drawing people here, but a big one is our affordable housing market.
From an affordability point of view, it's much easier to get into a house here than some of those other urban areas. And you combine that with the fact that there are good job opportunities, that's really drawing people in.
And if you're worried this growth could mean we'll look like Seattle anytime soon, that may not be something to put too much thought into.
We're pretty far from that. But that doesn't mean that people aren't feeling the growing pains, and I think people are.
And Greater Spokane says this economy is good news if you're looking for a job. They say the labor force continues to grow here and unemployment is at a historic low. Reporting in studio, Drew Reeves, KXLY 4 News.